All right, we're off to exchange the truck for my car, but first, we can also be testing out the wide angle. So as you guys can see, there's quite a bit more field of vision, and I'll put the link to this in the description. This is for the Osmo Pocket, by the way. But yeah, this thing is godly. Like, wow. I'm really impressed by it, and I can't wait to use this thing more and actually get some real footage with it. I just, like, you know, just screwed around with it for a second. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna link with my photographer friend and see what we can do with this thing. So I'll see you guys soon. Driving footage is so much better because you can actually see quite a bit of stuff. So I just picked my car up from the shop, driving it a little. It's still smoking, but I have to look at it and see, because it may just be burning off like the residual of, you know, what was already on there. So I'm gonna drive it for like 2-3 days, a little while more maybe, and then see. And then if not, I'll have to bring it back. But hopefully I don't, because I don't want to spend more money on fixing stuff. I want to spend money doing ratchet things. So yeah, it'll be much nicer to, oh wow, god damn, woo, wow, damn, that's nice. But yeah, it'll be much nicer to get wheels and lower it than it would be to keep doing more maintenance. But yeah, seems as though I just have to wait it out and see. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a second. Okay, so you guys may be able to see that it's still smoking. Let's see if you can see it in E36. Well, it's not smoking at this very second anymore. Well, it is somewhere, I don't know, kinda. It's weird, because it's not doing the exact same thing. Oh, well, I guess it is. You guys may be able to see it. Not 100% sure, but I'm guessing that, you know, there's still like some residual from when they fixed it, so I just have to wait. But I'll drive it a few days and see. Hopefully it's nothing. Well, my battery terminal cap isn't there anymore, and oh god damn, I actually hit my finger on the damn fan. But there's a cable that's sticking off right here that was not sticking off before, which is weird. Not sure what that is, but yeah, interesting. And one thing I really love about this car is the trunk size. Like, this is a Louis Vuitton Keepall 60, and I don't know if you guys know how big that is. It's a pretty big duffel bag, and it takes up literally no space. I could probably fit like 2 more across and then like 3 in the back. Like, you can fit a lot of stuff in here. Well, I just got off of work and I didn't record it, but there was like a huge oil leak under the car now. Not sure what happened, and there's like a wire, like, not a wire, but like a hose or something sticking out somewhere, like right in the front. So I'm pretty sure something just got like connected wrong or whatever. But yeah, back to the shop I go, and unfortunately I can't do part 2 of the dyno video for the supercharged EK coupe, but I'm gonna see if my boy can, you know, get a couple clips of it, and then I'll just throw it, like, I'll just upload it, whatever quality, doesn't really matter as long as you guys see it. But yeah, there'll be more videos of it to come, but yeah, for now I just need to focus on getting this car home in one piece, because I really don't want anything to happen to it, because it would not be fun. So yeah, back to the shop we go, and I'll update you guys in a little while. Okay, so the car's back, and yeah, drives fine. I don't believe there's any more leak. I don't see any more smoking. Although I did just notice, I don't know if you guys can see it there, but there's like a little dent in the hood, which is really, really annoying. And there's like a couple scratches on it and stuff now. Like, I don't know. I don't know. That's really annoying, because this car had like no dents or anything like that when I got it. So I'm pretty sure it happened somewhere in the shop or at the yard or something. And I just noticed this as well. That was not there. So that's pretty disappointing. Like a perfect car. Now it has some blemishes. That's not what I wanted to that's not what I wanted, especially since any blemishes I would much rather put myself than somebody else. But I'll probably have to call the shop and let them know. Hopefully they'll give me a couple bucks back. Granted, for everything I paid $500 with close to $600 with parts included. So the labor was not too bad. Valve cover gaskets, spark plugs, PCV valve, and timing chain tensioner. So yeah, for all that, $600 with parts included, and especially like cleaning the what do you call it? I don't remember which valve, but they did a couple things, and it's fixed. But you know, there's blemishes on it now, which is really annoying. So yeah, I guess such is life for now. I gotta just see. But the car drives fine. It's filthy, so I have to go wash it. And I may do it now. I was going to do the what do you call it? I was going to do a wash at the in the yard, but I kind of screwed up the hose, so that can't happen anymore. I'll see if I'll go to the wash later or something, but I don't really want to spend any money when I have the pressure washer right there. So I guess that's just how it has to be. But anyhow, I'll get back to you guys on the next clip, and I'll let you know what I'm going to end up doing.